Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you see your Twitter bookmarks on your Twitter account. So let's get right onto it. So to be able to see your Twitter bookmarks real quick, so let's first try and save a bookmark. So let's see this tweet right here. So to be able to go over and save a bookmark, you just have to click on the share button here, and you just have to tap on bookmark here, and that should save the bookmark. So to be able to see that, let's go back here and over your user profile on the upper left corner. So go over that, and you just have to hover over this one, bookmarks, tap on the bookmarks, and over here you should see here your bookmarks right here. So let's try again. For some reason it didn't save that, so let's go over the bookmark again. There, so you just have to wait and go over to your Twitter bookmarks right here and wait for them to appear, so it might take a while. And to be able to clear all the bookmarks, you have to go over and see these three dots right there in the upper right corner and clear all bookmarks. So if for some reason it still doesn't show, then that might be the Twitter bug. So you just have to wait and see if Twitter has released any bugs, any release date or updates for the bugs. So just search if you are going over to Twitter right here and see if there is an update available. So okay guys, so those are the ways on how you can save the bookmarks. Thank you for watching and goodbye.